Hello everyone. Let me introduce ZR3260D Intelligent Stacked Gas Tester for you. This tester is a portable instrument, ad hoc isokinetic sample and membrane filter weighing method to measure dust and harmful gas concentration from the flue. Today I mainly talk about three issues: function keys of the tester and operate process, every menu for reference, common problems and precautions. Then, let me introduce the procedure of how to use the tester. Turn on the tester and enter self-test interface, which can ensure good performance. Then back to main interface, we can see 8 menus as shows. Before the 5th, flue gas measurement, and the 6th, dust sampling. We should finish the first 4 items. System settings, flue distribution, working condition prediction, moisture content measurement. We can also query and print all data in the 7th, file query. And we can also finish some basic calibration in the 8th, maintenance calibration. Let's introduce all menus for you in turn. Click this menu to enter System Settings. In this page, we can set date and address, pressure, data upload, drainage, external connection, etc. 8 functions. These 2 functions need to be used with other devices. After confirming these information, to return to the main interface. Then let's enter flue distribution. We can see 3 types of flues. Choose the flue at present, round flue, rectangular flue and other. Now choose round flue. We can input inner diameter, area, casing tube L, number of rings and holes. The tester can calculate the number of sampling points, and the distance between the measuring point and the outer of the casing automatically after setting. Now choose rectangular flue. We can input the side of measuring hole A and B, area, casing tube L, number of holes. The tester can calculate the number of sampling points, and the distance between the measuring point and the outer of the casing automatically after setting. Operation of other type of flue is the same as the first 2. Click this menu to enter Working Condition Prediction. This page including 4 functions: pressure 0, flue temperature measurement, flow rate prediction, average value query. Make sure the pitot tube connector must hang in the air before pressure 0. The system counts down in 10 seconds, and automatically adjusts to 0 when the countdown ends. Now enter flue temperature measurement. The temperature can be automatically set, or inputted. Enter into flow rate prediction interface. Confirm the current value after all data stable. Use the same method for all measurement points marked when confirming the layout of the flue. After measurement all, click End, and then directly enter into Average Value Query interface. The tester will calculate and record the sampling diameter for future use. Let's introduce the moisture measurement process for you. Generally there are 2 methods to measure the moisture: wet and dry bulb method, resistance capacitance method. Users can also input the data directly if they know. Fill ZRV01 gas water separator with dry silicone particles above the lowest mark. check the picture to see the connection among host, wet and dry bulb wire in connected to the interface of moisture signal wire. Gray silicone pipe connects to flue gas moisture inlet. Fill the water storage bottle with more than half of the water. This gray silicone pipe is connected to the inlet of the dryer. The outlet of the dryer is connected to the inlet of host. The moisture signal wire connects to the interface of the moisture. Insert D1 3D moisture sampler into the flue and seal the sampling port. Start measure. We enter moisture content measurement interface. After the data is stable, click complete measurement and the data is displayed automatically. As mentioned before, users can input the data directly here if they know. Confirm all data, then we back to main menu. Check the picture to see the connection between host and ZRD05 flue gas preprocessor. Connect the interface between host and preprocessor by PTFE tube. This menu including 3 options: calibration, start measurement, flue gas query. Make sure to keep flue gas sampling tube in ambient air when calibration. After 2 or 3 minutes, calibration will finish after all data is stable. About 3 seconds finish, click ESC back. Well, after calibration, insert D05 into the flue and seal the sampling port. Start measure. Click WTPR measuring. About 3 minutes after the data stable, click on average, timer will count from 0, and about 30 seconds, can click ESC menu. Confirm the storage, and then enter the following interface. Now, the tube should be placed in the air to clean air path for 3 minutes. This is necessary. The exhaust gas can be replaced from the exhaust pipe, and prolong the service life of sensor. Enter flue gas query interface, search up or down to query files, or enter the file number. Let S back to main interface, and start dust sampling. Firstly, connect the host with ZRD14CT titanium alloy smoke sampling tube as shown. We enter dust sampling menu. There are 6 functions: sampling type, sampling mode, the number of the filter cylinder, single point sampling time, nozzle diameter, total sampling points. Insert these information. Before dust sampling, we should check whether the pipeline leaks before sampling. Click this key. Connect the pipe and keep the air inlet tightly blocked. Then start test. Click ESC after test. Insert D14CT into the flue with its back facing the airflow direction. Seal the inlet and start test. Then rotate D14CT 180 degrees to then rotate D14CT 180 degrees so that the sampling nozzle is facing the airflow. Click OK. Click WTPR measuring. Also can measure dust and gas at the same time. The tester can count down automatically, an audible and visual reminder in the last 10 seconds. Finish the sampling, the data will be saved automatically. In the main interface, Select Query and then press OK to enter the data query interface. There are 6 pages in total in the diagram for dust file. This interface allows for querying historical data, printing, and exporting. The last one is Maintain menu. The initial password is 2007. We can do 8 calibrations, as the pictures shows. Non-professional personnel are not allowed to modify the parameters. If you want to know more about ZR3260, please read the instruction manual carefully. Make sure the pitot tube connector must hang in the air before pressure 0. Fill ZRV01 gas water separator with dry silicone particles above the lowest mark. The tube should be placed in the air to clean air path for 3 minutes.